Hello viewers, check out this incredible image in this screen. I'm excited about this car. Blow your screens up, put it on HD if you're watching this on a computer screen. Let me introduce myself. My name's Phil Lee from Edward Lee's and SunRIseCars. I get excited when beautiful treasures like this are unearthed in Japan and they arrive on our doorstep. This is just magnificent. It's done just 69,000 Ks, this car. And it's a turbo 5-speed manual with this beautiful NISMO factory option body kit that we love. This is the one that everyone wanted back in the day, and this is still the most desirable look. It's got those side skirts, it's got that beautiful OEM factory option front bar, and it's got the rear bar also, and the wing that I like. Some of them come with a big ugly wing that sort of looked like a moustache dripping down the rear quarter panels. I didn't really like that rear wing, but this is a beautiful GTR style rear wing. Now of course this is the single turbo RB25 version. They call it the GT-T R34, and this is just a beautiful car to drive. And what's fascinating has been watching the same car in a GTR R34, what the prices have been doing in America, in Japan, and in Australia. They're selling now for $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000. And the rule of thumb that always used to apply to the single turbo GTTs or GTSTs in terms of value compared to a GTR was that they were about half the price. So if that rings true on this car with just 69,000 Ks, that's Fluffy, the sales manager. Say hello, Fluff. This is tremendous value for money. Just look at the condition of this machine. It's beautiful. Give me a Fluff bag. Just helping with the videos today. Look at the seat. Look at all the touchy-feely bits. It's just beautiful, this car. The whole thing is pristine. It's got the original floor mats. It's all in just superb and mint condition. It's got that smell inside that smells like a fresh Skyline. It's a non-smoker's car. It's a non-accident car. It's genuine 69,000 Ks. It comes with D-Reg papers from Japan to verify the mileage through the Japanese Road Ministry. It's a record of odometer readings every time this car has gone for a rego check in Japan. And everything just looks absolutely right in terms of the condition on this one. It's beautiful. I'll show you under the bonnet. Having a bonnet malfunction. There we go. All the sound deadening is there. Original airbox. Looks like it's got a set of coilovers, this one. Strut brace. All the radiator support looks untouched. It's just in beautiful condition. Appliance plate is in place. Absolutely beautiful to drive, a lot of fun. It's a fast car. It handles beautifully, and I don't know, nothing's changed. We used to compare these to S15s, and some people used to say that the S15 was a better car. I always liked the 6-cylinder a lot better. It just felt like a more substantial car, more torquey, more responsive from low revs. It's a bit sticky, that rear bonnet catch there. It worked a second ago. The little details on this OEM bar that really make it pop. Looks like it's got a bit of the cannon on the back. I guess I should give it a rev, shouldn't I? Whilst I'm making the video, I'm going to end the video. If you're watching from interstate, you can send this car anywhere in Australia. It costs a lot less than what you might think. Transport prices we get really good deals on. And yeah, it's just a lovely machine. Just beautiful. Doesn't look like a car of its age. That's it. I'm going to end the video. Our number is 02 9744 0539. Any inspection is welcome on this car, and as we say, we can send it anywhere in Australia. Thanks for watching the video. Signing off, Phil Lee from Edward Lee. See you later. And goodbye from Fluffy, the sales manager. Ciao.